Pakistan Bangladesh Confederation, a lost history or a future shockwave. You are watching Global Affairs tonight, and I am Mr. Bravo. Today, we will discuss the most important scenarios in the world politics which may change the complete world stage. The opening shock Bangladesh today and strategic context. 1971 was not just the birth of Bangladesh, it was the fragmentation of Muslim political power in South Asia. A strategic void was created that shaped India's dominance in the region for decades. Today, Bangladesh stands at a critical juncture, asserting sovereignty, street violence, and diplomacy. In the last few days, visa and consulate services were suspended at India's major missions in New Delhi, Agartala, and Siliguri, officially citing security concerns. Meanwhile, the streets of Dhaka, Chittagong are alive with youth mobilization, civil activism, and public pressures for accountability. What the world see as chaos, it actually is a nation asserting independence in its own way. Visa and consulate service suspended, asserting sovereignty. Bangladesh temporarily suspended of visa services is not hostility. It is a sovereign act to protect diplomats, a principle recognized internationally. Every responsible nation takes such steps for the safety of its own personnel when it is at risk. Bangladesh acted lawfully, transparently, and strategically correct. It will have certain impacts on India and China. Impacts on India forces India to reevaluate leverage over Dhaka, reduces Indians' ability to influence Bangladesh through diplomatic pressures. China creates an opportunity for itself to strengthen economic and strategic partnerships, secure Belt and Road continuity. What's next scenario? If India continues attempts to pressure Bangladesh, Dhaka may further diversify its foreign partnerships, tailoring more towards Pakistan, China, Turkey, and the Gulf allies. Inside Bangladesh, youth voices, political mobilization, and civil society. Bangladesh streets are alive with youth driven political activism. Triggers include governance frustration, accountability demands, and representation gaps. These protests are organic, peaceful, and deeply rooted in Bangladesh political DNA. Calling the state collapse is intellectually dishonest and misleading. Political regional effects could be for India limited leverage over internal politics must reassesses its diplomatic strategy. China observes a stable, capable partnership in Dhaka for long-term projects. South Asia could see new youth-driven reforms including regional cooperation. And the next scenario could be stronger youth voice, more dependent Bangladesh foreign policy, potential alignment with regional Muslim allies for trade, defense, and diplomacy, media warfare and narrative versus reality. Bangladesh is facing a media and information war, half truth and sensational reporting misrepresenting peaceful protest as chaos. This fuels panic, undermines diplomacy, and threatens regional trust. Impacts on India could be exaggerated. Instability could justify political interference or increased cohesive diplomacy. China could slow Belt and Road investment unless risk assessment is recalibrated. Next scenario could be Bangladesh may counter misinformation through official channels, increased reliance on strategic communication and regional media partnership. Bangladesh is stressed, not collapsing. Regional and economical strength. Bangladesh is a strategic Bay of Bengal hub, a center for trade, textile, and regional diplomacy. Despite unrest, ports function, factories produces, and remittance flow. Geopolitical effects: if Pakistan Bangladesh confederation emerge, India reduces influence in Bay of Bengal and northeast India. China gain stable partner for maritime logistics, ports, and energy projects and energy corridor. South Asia's potential new regional power balance with Pakistan, Bangladesh as a bloc. The next scenario: enhanced economic cooperation could reduce dependency on India, may attract new investments from Gulf state and China, could shift trade and shipping routes southward bypassing India's choke points. Pakistan's Bangladesh Confederation Strategic Vision. Imagine Pakistan and Bangladesh united not as one state but as a confederation. Two sovereign states, two constitution, two armies, one cooperative framework for strategy, trade, and diplomacy. Effects could be: on India faces a new regional bloc, could lose leverage on South Asia, and China secure long-term stability and partnership for Belt and Road Initiative and projects. South Asia strategic recalibration, potential new alliances, maritime security cooperation. The next scenario: joint diplomatic coordination, united voice in OIC and regional forum, enhance security and economic collaboration. A nightmare for India. Economic, strategic, and military impact. Together, Pakistan and Bangladesh represents over 400 million people. Confederation enables profitable trade, joint shipping and energy corridors, industrial cooperation, intelligence and counter-terrorism coordination. It will have effects on India, must recalibrate strategic policy and defense planning. China strengthens maritime and overland connectivity projects. Global Muslim bloc gain stronger voice in regional security. The next scenarios: potential joint defense exercises, coordination, foreign policy initiatives in ASEAN and OIC forums, increased regional economic integration. Challenges and reality checks. Challenges remains historical mistrust, political resistance, external pressures, and media propaganda. A confederation is not an immediate reality but a strategic vision for the next generation. India may attempt containment and counter diplomacy. China observes closely, may support quietly to protect trade and investment. The verdict: Bangladesh asserts its sovereignty. Its streets, diplomacy, and decisions show a nation asserting dignity. A Pakistan Bangladesh confederation may not be imminent, but the idea itself shakes the region, showing how history, geography, and people remains deeply interconnected. When divided, we survive. When united, even loosely, we shape history. Is confederation a mistake or a missed destiny? Comment below, like, share, and subscribe. This is Mr. Bravo, and you were watching Global Affairs Tonight. Good night.